Hello guys, this is Chad's Labs. As you know that today we are going to start introduction to nuclear engineering, so let's start this journey with a bright welcome. What is nuclear engineering? And the word nuclear itself, you guessed it, is about radiation and energy. Nuclear engineering is the engineering, which comes under chemical engineering, which is the building blocks for nuclear engineering. Nuclear engineers works with reaction that produce millions of times more energy per reaction than any other known material. Originating from the nucleus of an atom, nuclear engineering has proved to be a tremendous source of energy. The world's demand for electricity. The world's demand for electricity is gradually increasing every year for those areas of the world that have in the way of fossil fuels. Nuclear energy is considered as the source of choice for electricity. In the USA itself, it nearly generates 22.8% of electricity. In other countries, notably France, it approaches up to 100%. Applications of nuclear power in mobile systems. To date, the widest application of nuclear power in mobile systems has been for the propulsions of naval vessels, especially in submarines and aircraft carriers. In the case of submarines, the ability to travel without large amounts of oxygen. In the case of an aircraft carrier, the large amount of space that was taken up by fuel oil in a conventionally powered aircraft carrier can be devoted to aviation fuel and other supplies on a nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. Nuclear-powered spacecraft.
Musk Mama.
What the hell?
Powered spacecraft have been developed and that are in use today. Typically, a nuclear reaction is used to provide electricity for probes that are in deep space because of the weak solar radiation found in deep space. Radioactive source is used to emit energy that is converted into heat and then electricity using thermocouples. As you people might think, why chemical rockets are not still replaced by nuclear rockets because of this. Just kidding, guys. The real reason behind this is very simple. So, let's see, for example, the estimated mass of a chemical rocket required for a manned mission from a stationary park to Mars is approximately 4 million kg. The mass of a nuclear rocket for the same mission is estimated to be only 430,000 kg, but here's the problem, is that nuclear rockets have been under active development in the USA for many long years. So, that's why that it is not actually possible in today's, but it could become possible in several upcoming years. Radioactive tracing. Radioactive tracing is a method. In this technique, one of the atoms in a molecule is replaced by a radioactive atom of the same element. For example, a radioactive carbon atom is substituted to a normal carbon atom at the exact location when later, after the molecule has reacted chemically in a laboratory experiment or in a biological system. Activation analysis. Activation analysis is a technique where scientists use neutrons to make certain atoms in a material radioactive temporarily. When these atoms decay, they emit radiation that can be detected. By analyzing this radiation, scientists can identify what elements are in the material and in what quantities. It's like giving the material a temporary label that tells us what it's made of, allowing us to study its composition in detail. For joining with me on a nuclear engineering adventure in Chad's Labs. If you had fun and want to see more cool videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself, share this video with your friends and family. Together, let's spread the love for science. See you next time, and remember to stay curious.